Okay, so now we're going to look at the Admiralty stopper knot, which is a stopper knot for a larger boat, a bit more substantial. Now the idea is that you leave a tail with an Admiralty stopper knot of about 12 inches. I'll talk you why in a bit, why that is. And all you do is wind up your palm, like so, crossing once and then winding up your palm to your thumb. On a smaller knot, on a smaller line, like this, I'm just going to use 2 fingers, but you'd use your palm on a big line. So you wind it towards your thumb, crossing the first time, crossing the second time, crossing the third time, and then you push the end down your fingers. Okay, so you push it where your fingers are to the tips of your fingers. My fat fingers getting in the way there, and you pull, and it snugs up like that, and that's an Admiralty stopper knot. And you've got a tail which should be about 12 inches on a big line. You can bend that over then, and you could do a sheet bend with another line, put that on a winch, and then winch this line out if it was jammed, if it was a flogging sheet, for example. So let's just have another look at that. So take the line apart. As I say, you'd wind it up to your thumb, using your palm normally, but with 2 fingers here for a small line. You cross once, you cross twice, you cross 3 times. Okay, so a bit more, it's got a bit more line there. You cross, you go round your palm or fingers and you cross once like that, cross twice, cross 3 times, push the end down your fingers to the end of your fingers, like so, and then you snug it up, and that is your stopper knot. So that's an Admiralty stopper knot. It's a solid, substantial knot. If a sheet was to run and jam like so, you can bend it over, put a line through it, and then you can winch that with another line on another winch. You could winch that line out if it's under a lot of force. So that's the Admiralty stopper knot. I hope you found this short video tutorial useful. If you did, please click the like button. This helps promote the video on YouTube. If you've got any of your own tips or experience you'd like to share, or you've got an idea for a video, let me know in the comments section below. And if you aren't already a subscriber, consider subscribing and remember to click the little bell so you are notified when I release my next video. There are various links that might interest you in the description section under this video. Until next time, sail safe.